In your online work, you need to do different tasks like searching for ideas, making videos, designing images, and writing content. We used to do all these things ourselves or pay someone for a specific task, but now there are artificial intelligence tools that can help you make money. These tools save time, double your productivity, and let you focus on making high-quality content. In this video, I'll share the 10 best AI tools I personally use. They'll help you generate passive income and make money online with little effort. I'll put links to all the tools in the first comment. If you're ready to start, please like the video. The idea for this video came from one of you who commented, "Hello, I really love your videos for its educational content. However, would you mind enumerating every single AI tools you use currently? It would really help me with my journey." So, I immediately decided to make a video about all the AI tools that I use, which I believe are truly among the best tools in every field. 1. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is a platform that creates realistic voices with AI like the one in this video. ElevenLabs has awesome features including voice cloning, allowing users to clone their voice or create synthetic voices swiftly by converting text to speech. This feature is especially useful for me when I'm unable to speak at the moment, and I also use it occasionally in my short-form videos. The platform also offers automatic dubbing tools that preserve the speaker's voice and tone in various languages, helping creators reach a wider audience. Content creators leverage ElevenLabs for a range of purposes, including podcasts, narration, comedy shows, and generating audio for videos in different languages. 2. Pictory AI. Pictory was one of the first AI tools I experimented with for producing my videos. It is an AI-powered online video editor that simplifies the video creation process, offering a user-friendly interface and powerful editing tools. The platform provides a variety of features, allowing users to effortlessly transform text into engaging video content with just a click. This versatility makes it suitable for various applications, including YouTube videos and social media content. Initially, I used to create 3 to 5 videos in under an hour and shared them on my YouTube channel. However, I discontinued using Pictory due to dissatisfaction with the voices it provided. But the surprise just recently happened with a partnership between Pictory and ElevenLabs, and now using Pictory, you can create videos in minutes with high-quality, realistic voices. 3. DALL-E 3. DALL-E 3 is a powerful AI image generation tool that has gained significant traction in the realm of creative content production. Its ability to produce high-quality, realistic images from text descriptions has impressed users and challenged the dominance of established platforms like Midjourney. The platform goes beyond basic image generation. It can create detailed designs, edit existing images, and adapt to different artistic styles. If you're seeking professional-grade images for your work, DALL-E 3 stands as a compelling option. To access its features for free, simply create an account on Microsoft Bing Image Creator, which provides initial free points for experimenting with the tool. Once registered, you can input text prompts detailing your desired image, and DALL-E 3 will generate corresponding visuals. The platform is valuable for designers, artists, and anyone wanting to improve their creative projects with exceptional imagery, thanks to its versatility and impressive output quality. 4. Submagic. Submagic is an AI-powered tool designed to generate accurate and engaging captions for social media videos, including those on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. The tool transcribes audio into written text in multiple languages, enhancing accessibility and saving time for content creators. It offers various features to elevate video content, including dynamic emojis, highlighted keywords, trendy templates, and auto descriptions with hashtags. Submagic also allows for the customization of subtitles, such as adding emojis, choosing subtitle fonts, and managing subtitle size and animation style. The tool has been highly rated by content creators and is known for its ability to boost viewer engagement by adding accurate captions, emojis, and highlighted keywords to social media videos. It has been used by top content creators on social media and is particularly suitable for short-form content creators aiming to enhance audience retention and interaction. Lately, prices have significantly dropped, and I've got a promo code for you. Using it will get you an extra discount. You'll find it in the link in the first comment. Click on it, and you'll see all the links to the sites mentioned in this video, including discount codes for some like Pictory and Submagic. 5. Perplexity. Perplexity is a powerful AI research assistant that efficiently answers user questions, similar to ChatGPT. It excels at generating text, translating languages, and creating various types of content. What sets Perplexity apart is its capability to provide up-to-date information with sources, making it a valuable tool for research and writing. However, if you're using the free version of GPT, don't invest your time in it. ChatGPT, the free version, offers outdated and presently unhelpful information. I have used Perplexity many times while writing scripts, and I have been consistently impressed with its ability to provide me with relevant and informative information. It is a great tool for anyone who needs to find information quickly and easily. Here are some of the things that I like about Perplexity. It is very fast and responsive. It can provide up-to-date information with sources. It can generate different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, emails, letters, etc. It is free to use. I highly recommend Perplexity to anyone who needs a powerful AI research assistant. 6. Canva. Some have started comparing Canva to Photoshop, given Canva's development with new AI features, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Personally, Canva is the site I use the most. Those eye-catching animations and moving text in my videos, all done with Canva. The thumbnails for my YouTube channel, also created using Canva. Despite its simplicity, Canva significantly aids me in my online work. Canva is a versatile and user-friendly graphic design platform that has gained immense popularity among both beginners and professionals. Its intuitive interface, vast library of templates, and powerful editing tools have made it a go-to choice for creating a wide range of visual content, including presentations, social media graphics, videos, and more. Canva's recent introduction of AI-powered features has further enhanced its capabilities, enabling users to effortlessly generate designs with a professional touch. These AI features, such as background removal, image enhancement, and smart text suggestions, simplify the design process and allow users to create visually appealing content without extensive design knowledge. 7. Veed.io. Veed.io is a powerful online video editing tool powered by AI that offers a wide range of features for creating and enhancing your videos. It provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it easy for anyone to edit videos without any prior experience. The platform's free tier provides access to a range of sound editing tools, including the ability to speed up audio clips without compromising quality and automatically detect and remove silent portions of audio tracks. Veed.io offers various important features such as automatic subtitle generation and transcription for videos, as well as translating content into different languages using AI-powered subtitles. It's also handy for creating engaging videos for social media and marketing, developing effective training materials and e-learning videos, improving meetings and presentations with impactful visuals, and crafting compelling sales videos to showcase products or services. It's a versatile platform catering to different needs in content creation and communication. 8. Vidiq. Vidiq is a great tool made just for YouTubers. It helps me find ideas for my videos, write titles and descriptions, and discover the best keywords. Although there's another option called TubeBuddy, I prefer Vidiq because, based on my own experience on YouTube, it gives better results. The feature I use the most is checking the idea rating. If it's over 68, it means the idea is good, lots of searches with not too much competition. Then, I can easily move on to writing the title, description, thumbnail, and editing my videos. It makes everything smoother for me. For instance, the video in which I explained the TikTok creativity program received more engagement than all my previous videos. According to Vidiq, the idea for this video is currently rated very high, over 70. Therefore, I consider this video a tremendous success thanks to the valuable insights provided by Vidiq. 9. Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a versatile AI tool designed to generate stunning artwork, illustrations, and designs with ease. It offers a range of features for creating visual assets, including image generation, AI canvas for editing, and 3D texture generation. The tool is suitable for various creative endeavors such as character design, game assets, concept art, graphic design, fashion, marketing, advertising, product photography, architecture, and interior design. Leonardo AI is also known for its ability to refine and enhance images directly within the app, providing complete artistic control and a wide range of creative possibilities. Additionally, it is recognized for its focus on creating game assets such as textures, objects, and concept art, making it a valuable resource for artists, designers, and developers. 10. Google Bard. In addition to Perplexity, I also leverage Google Bard as an AI tool. Its proficiency in generating diverse creative text formats, such as scripts and emails, makes it invaluable for a wide range of tasks. This tool excels at generating text, translating languages, crafting various forms of creative content, and providing informative answers to your questions. Thank you for following along until this point. It indicates that you've found the content beneficial. Feel free to show your support by giving a like and following for more updates. Don't forget to leave a comment, and stay tuned for upcoming videos, where we'll delve into strategies and methods to make money online. Your presence makes this journey all the more beautiful.